Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. So, Jessica here. I'm trying to remember to do that for those of you that don't know my name. I've actually got a few more unboxings I've got to do and catch up on, but I've got a giveaway. Yes. And it's a mystery box from Ipsy, mystery bag, right? And one of y'all are going to get it. And you know me, I like doing random giveaways throughout the month. So I figured I scooped this up, and it's not just one of the $14 mystery bags. It's actually like compatible to like an Ipsy Plus mystery bag. It was like $30. So there's some really good stuff in here. Yes. And if this is something that interests you, I do believe they're still available. So if you want it, go check it out. But let me show you what's in here. Now, the first thing is this adorable bag. And it's all like, I don't know, like it reminds me of a spaceship with the iridescent and everything, but it is super duper pretty. And on this side, down at the bottom, it says Ipsy. If you can see that, it's really tiny. And it's got a nice little strap on it, which I actually really like it when the bags have these, because you can use it as like a little carry thing in the store instead of lugging your whole purse. Isn't that neat? Okay, what's inside? Well, the first thing you get is a set of masks. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. And they are the Super Beauty mask in rose, blended with Jarrett tea. And it's by Honey Jarrett. So that's what she looks like. And like I said, there's 4 of them. And then there is this About Face matte lip paint. Oh, this is really cool packaging. Look at that. That's really neat. That's a pretty color too. I have not tried these before, but I have heard they're pretty good. Next, you get a lip liner from Thrive Cosmetics. And it's in the color Devon. Now, I use these lip liners all the time. I am obsessed with them. They are a lip filler and a lip liner, and they work amazing. They really, really do. Especially because I'm more mature, and with my aging skin, it does help so much with like my lipstick and my lip glosses from bleeding with my wrinkles. Okay, next up is from Goldfaden MD. Yeah. And it's the Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. And Goldfaden MD has got amazing products. A few of the ingredients are vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. Okay, that's different. And it says Dr. Goldfaden's multifaceted hydrating and moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. And then something from Origins. Have we gotten any Origins products? I don't think so. Have you? Remind me if we have. This is Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with willow herb. So, obviously, an Origins primer, really good. I told you, this is a really good bag. And then last but not least, it also includes a Hip Dot palette. And this is the Zion palette. And this is one of their pressed pigment palettes. I do have this one, and it's actually really nice. It performs amazing, and obviously being a pressed pigment, the colors are incredible. It does have a really nice little mirror on it, and then look at those pretty colors. And there's a mix of mattes and shimmers. So yeah, that's everything. Not bad, huh? So what do you got to do to enter? Well, I would absolutely love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. It does help my channel out so much. And it gives me the ability to continue bringing content like this. And of course, more giveaways. Also, I would love it if you would thumbs up my video. Greatly appreciate it. And also leave a comment down below. Include the word hip dot, but include it in a sentence, you know, just so it's not completely obvious what the secret word is. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, comment down below. I do use a YouTube random comment picker to pick the winner. So, obviously, you need your comment in there. In addition to that, there's other basic standard rules. Everything is down in the description box except for the secret word. You do have to be 18 years or older and have a U.S. shipping address. Other than that, of course, my YouTube disclaimer. Here we go. YouTube is not affiliated in any way, shape, or form with this giveaway. YouTube is not liable. They are not responsible. They have absolutely nothing to do whatsoever with my giveaway. It's my giveaway. I am the only sponsor. I purchased this goodie bag with my own money to give back to you guys because I love you bunches. And of course, as always, please be sure to always follow the YouTube community guidelines. And that's really it. If you have any questions, let me know. But again, everything is down in the description box. I will run the giveaway for... I'm going to run it for 2 weeks. That's only because I've got my monthly giveaway closing at the beginning of July. So we'll run this one for 2 weeks. Make sure everybody has an opportunity to enter. And the giveaway will start as soon as this video goes live. And that's it. And in 2 weeks, the video will close at 11:59 at night. And I will draw the winner the following day. And I will post the winner on my community tab. So, as long as you're a subscriber to my channel and you have all notifications clicked, you should get a notification when I post the winners on my community tab. And that's it. Okay. I love you guys. Bunches. Take care. Good luck, everybody. And I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.